good morning. I'm back and welcome back to my channel. This is Jen again, and today in this vlog, if you are new here in my channel, I am Jen and I'm sharing my workout routine. And yeah, kung naghahanap kayo ng mga body workout, ab workout, full body workout, and anything workout, please check my channel. And malay nyo, effective din siya sa inyo as effective siya sa akin. Ang dami din nagtatanong sa akin na, Jen, ano yung dapat gawin pag mag-squat ka, ano maganda sa booty workout, ano magandang ab workout, ano magandang workout. And from now on, I'm gonna try to upload videos na regarding sa mga questions nyo. Marami din na nagtatanong sa akin kung paano i-fix yung hip dips. Actually, I'm from flat Asian booty too. I'm Asian, I'm Filipina. So yun, I tried different workouts and I found what works for me, and hopefully it works for you too. I'm so excited to share with you guys this workout kasi super sarap sa feeling, and this is my latest favorite workout for my booty. It gives my booty more bilog. So let's go and let's start the workout. Hi guys, welcome back. Today I have another glute focus for you, but before we start the workout, let's start with a good warm-up. You can also check my channel for my full body warm-up routine. Paulit-ulit ko man sabihin, but doing a warm-up before you start your workout is very important to help your body to move better. Warm-up before you work out helps a lot to perform your workout very well. So let's go.
Look at me now, nigga. I am a certified baller, whipping a Honda Civic with the windows tinted. I'ma pull up on you and just bang, 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 bang. Told you I'ma get it, then I got it back up off of me, cause you ain't gang, 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 gang. Yeah, yeah, look at me, look at me, look it. I was holed up in the basement till I got my shot. Pew, 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 took my shot, then I took it. I am so cute and so pretty, so hot and sexy. At least that's how she said that I'm looking. Trying to be anything less than phenomenal, man, that's just something I've never been good at. I thought you were fam, but I guess I was tripping. Now that I got it, then I guess you'll be missing. I'm coming straight out the package, you heard? I'ma be legend. Then she finally broke off from the herd. Now look where I'm headed.
Goddamn, why you acting rude, rude, rude? I get that coin, damn, now you acting so brand new. Yeah, just last year, damn, I wanted to be like you. Now I just be like me, and I don't care about you. I'm in my bed, this time I bet. No time for this, no time for that. Don't need no handout, I earn my step. Don't wanna make amends, I'm moving fast. I just might pull up in a sports car, no top. Wanna get another job back in the lot. Flex on you, then give what I cop to a charity or something. I don't really wanna lie, yeah. I don't show no love, no hugs. When you switch up, that buzz me. I'm still feeling lovely, so brand new and lovely. Now you cannot touch me. Watch me get this money, watch me get that money. You can watch me from the back of the back. Now you wanna show love, I ain't really feeling that. Get back, get back, get back, get back, yeah. You, yeah. So brand new, yeah.
I'm not in the mood, but you'll be here soon. Everything feels wrong, guess it's in a bad mood. Feeling broken hearted over something that never was. Never was, never was.
So after a few stretches and warm-up, I always do some cardio before I start my workout. Jumping jacks or 2 invisible rope to increase my heart rate. You can choose what's best for you. I sometimes do 100 jumping jacks or 50 jumping jacks, or just 1 to 3 minutes invisible rope to increase the heart rate. Yeah, let's go.
I don't deserve this. I thought it'd be me and you. Hard to be your friend when you act this way. What message are you trying to send? What's this game you play?
So before we start the workout, it is very important to do some booty activation. activation to fire up and activate your legs and booty. Simula nung ginawa ko to before my leg and booty training, it gives me more and better result. You can also check my channel for some booty workout that you can incorporate as your glute activation.
I guess it wasn't true. If I only knew what you put me through, I don't deserve this. I thought it'd be me and you. You still call me at the end of the day, and then you have nothing else to say. What do you want me to say? Try blending my emotions, but I know you're about to be oceans away. Please quit asking me to stay. I'm weak under your grasp, and my heart, it won't last. No, my heart won't last. I thought it'd be me and you. I guess it wasn't true. If I only knew what you put me through, I don't deserve this. I guess there was never me in it.
So to start the workout, our first exercise would be the hip thrust. We all know hip thrust is one of the most and best exercise for your glutes. So guys, before you start the workout, palagi nyo lang hanapin yung tamang form. So, performing hip thrust, your leg should not be too far or too near or narrow. Hindi siya sobrang layo or sobrang lapit sa katawan or sa bench. You need to have that 90-degree angle with your legs, as you can see in the video. So just drive the movement together with your hips and upper body. Don't worry guys, at first it is really feels so unstable, but when you do it every time, masasanay din kayo and makukuha nyo rin yung tamang form. And your body will constantly move as it is when you do the workout again and again. Just keep going. So to start, I always start with a warm-up set before I get to my working set. It is okay to start with lower weights. You don't need to go as heavy as I do or as they do sa mga nakikita nyong workout routine ng iba. Just trust your own process and put your challenging weights. I do my workout as 3 to 4 sets and 10 to 15 reps. As you can see in the video, I do 10 reps and 5 pulses before I drop it. Don't forget to squeeze your glutes at the top.
Close right off my back. Put the knife against my throat. Say you leave and won't come back, but I'll find a way to forgive you. Cut the strings off my guitar. Stomp your heels into my toes. Steal the keys right out my car, and I'll find a way to forgive you. I fight 1,000 guys, live to die 1,000 lives. Oh, I find another way to make me smarter, just so I could understand. I'll find what you're looking for, to lead you away, just so I could understand. I'll find what you're searching for, to keep you away, just so I could understand. I'll find what you're looking for, to lead you away.
So the last exercise would be a hip abduction. I usually do this at the end of my workout every time. And every single time I go to the gym to maximize the better results of my body. If only I have more time left, because sometimes time is just hectic. I usually have an hour or more to spend in the gym. So in this exercise, just lean forward to find more stability to perform this workout. You can also touch or reach the machine, so you will have that proper form and you will feel it more in your body. It also helps to train your hip dips and upper body. And some of the gym doesn't have this machine. That is one of the reasons why I transferred to this gym, because I really like hip abduction. This is so challenging and will give you more and more results, because you can just add and add more weights every time and you will get stronger and stronger. So I put some alternative workout video using a resistance band if you don't have this machine, so you can do this abduction with or without bands. Just do it slow and more controlled. Guys, that's it. That's our booty workout for the day, and hopefully you like it. And please do thumbs up if you like my videos. I would really appreciate if you would let me know that you like my videos, and please comment if you want more videos or any workout videos that I can. I will really try to do it for you guys. And yeah, thank you guys for watching, and see you on my next vlog. Thank you. Don't forget to subscribe and share this workout to your friends, and yeah, do share. Thank you. Bye.